Hi, I'm Vandana from the Urban Mali Network. How to grow orchids at home easily. Here are some important tips if you want to grow ground orchids at home. 1. Choose a container that is suitable enough to grow an orchid. Number 2. Mix this with good quantity of soil and a little bit of nutrition. 3. Orchids don't like to be fed too much of manure, so use only a little bit of nutrition. Number 4. Keep the soil moist and never let it get too dry. Number 5. Place your orchids near a sunny window, but it shouldn't be under direct sunlight. Number 6. Orchids like warmth, but not the direct sunlight that could burn out the leaves. Number 7 is manure a little bit for your orchid plants on a regular basis. Number 8, aphids, mealybug, and a range of different pests can attack your orchid plants. Use an organic pesticide to keep these away. Number 9 is the best way to propagate orchids is by using a cutting. I hope all of these tips are really useful for you to grow your ground orchid. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about orchids and also gardening in general. Happy gardening!